my children had just left and I had the empty nest, and one of my friends at church, who had been a former board member, asked me if I would be interested in getting involved in United Ministries. And so I came on with the Church and Volunteer Relations Committee, and then I was chairman of that committee, and then I got to be chairman of the board, and then when that was over, I started volunteering here. So I started volunteering probably in about 98. And for about the last 5 years I've been at the front desk, and I really enjoy it. It's interaction not only with the staff, but with our clients. And I just try to give them a smiling face and help them answer their questions. A lot of them don't ever see somebody smile at them during the day. And they come in and ask to use the bathroom, and if I can say, have a good day, and they say it back to me, I think it's a great interaction. You know, I have seen clients outside of United Ministries, and I always enjoy that, and they don't know where they know me from, but they recognize a familiar face. So that's always good. We're doing so much more than we used to. When I first came here, you know, people just came and hung out at Place of Hope all day because they could have free coffee, and there wasn't much help offered them. It was just a place for them to come to get out of the weather, or if it was hot or if it's cold. And now we do so much more with our clients over there, helping them try to get their life back on the right track. I'm really excited about the new food pantry and the Leadership Greenville's idea to let people pick their own food. I think that will really be a thing of worth for the people, not just to hand out something that they chose themselves. The staff has changed a lot since I've been here. I can't say enough good about Beth Templeton and what she did for all those years, but I love the staff now. They're a great group of people and very willing to help people that are underprivileged and don't have as much as we have. I think the thing that I like is they try to teach a person, they don't try to give them a fish, they try to teach them how to fish so they can support themselves. They try to help them be put in a position that will help them learn what they need to do to better themselves, whether it's by helping them with their rent or giving them food in a hard spot or just having somebody to listen to them. It's just such an important mission they do here. It's been great. I can't say I've never had a bad experience here. I've done it the walk. I've been on a lot of committees, and I just love everything about United Ministries. They do a great job in the community. Come and sit with me one Wednesday morning for an hour and see how you like it. It's always busy, but you always have time to do things you need to do too, so it's a good mixture.